In this video we will show how to install hydratk tool. We will install it in virtual environment using pyenv tool. Command versions displays installed Python versions. We will use version 2713. We create virtual environment using command virtualenv. Basic Python modules, setup tools, pip, wheel are installed automatically. Command activate activates the environment. Let's check current Python version and installed modules. We will install module hydratk using pip. Special option no binary ensures installation from source files. We check installation of module hydratk including dependencies. Run basic command hydratk. Command hydratk help displays the help. Available commands are benchmark, create config.db, create extscale, create libscale, hydratk, list extensions. Help is also available as manual page. Command list extensions displays installed extensions. Benchmark is available now. We will show modules directory structure now. There is main command hydratk and hydratk install in bin directory. There is configuration file in etc directory. It is not necessary to edit default configuration. More details are available in documentation. Directory var is for application purpose. Directory config is empty after installation. Command create config.db stores current configuration to database. SQLite database file is created in config directory. Database structure is very simple. Now we will use command benchmark, which is testing hardware performance. Results table is displayed when the tests are executed. Basic statistics is available for each test. Command benchmark offers several options. We will specify output CSV file and run the command in debug mode. Running test is displayed. Results table is displayed when finished. Results were also stored to output file. Command hydratk install uninstalls module hydratk. Option Y uninstalls also the dependent modules. Details are displayed. We will run the installation in verbose mode using option V. Dependencies per Python version are specified first. The process checks system libraries and will install them using package manager if they are missing. Manager is operation system specific. Python modules, pismk, sutil, pyaml, termcolor, setproctital are installed using pip. Module hydratk is installed in standard way. Commands hydratk, hydratk install are installed to bin directory. After that the directories etc, var and manual page are created. Let's display installed modules. We will uninstall dependent modules termcolor. Command hydratk displays missing module. We install the module again and we can run hydratk.